Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. Finally friends, I'm back with the epic battery rating test Battlegrounds mobile game comparison between all of these four smartphones which I got right now. Yes friends, I'm getting so many comments asking me to upload this kind of epic kind of battery rating test videos. And first phone is the iQOO 7 device which has got the Snapdragon 870 with the 4400 mAh of battery capacity. And second phone is the iQOO 9 SE device, so which has got the 4500 mAh of battery capacity with the Snapdragon 888 processor. And third is the Realme GT2 which has got the Snapdragon 888 processor with the 5000 mAh of battery capacity in this device. So both Realme smartphones, they do have the 5000 mAh battery, and other iQOO phones, they do have slightly kind of less battery capacity. And Realme GT2 Neo 2 which has got 5000 mAh of battery capacity and the Snapdragon 870 chipset. So two Snapdragon 870 processors and two Snapdragon 888 processors, and 5000 mAh of battery capacity and 5000 mAh of battery capacity, 4400, 4500. Let's find out how much the battery rating test will be difference between all of these four devices. And four phones should be connected to the same Wi-Fi network, so all the phones are connected to Wi-Fi network exactly, and all the phones are charged to exact 100% battery capacity as well. As you can clearly see friends, right now, just now I did disconnect the charger as well, you can clearly see. So between 100%, 100%, 100 and 100. Let's get started with the side-by-side comparison. And please, in case if you want to support my channel, please try to watch the complete ads when you're trying to watch my videos. Don't skip the ads, and make sure you use my links in description friends while buying from the Amazon website. That will be really helpful as well. So definitely nowadays I'm trying to work so hard for this all the smartphone just to show you which phone is really the best one. So small support would be really great if you're trying to buy one of the device. So make sure you use my links in description from the Amazon website and buy any product from the Amazon and help me help to my channel as well. And right now, one thing, a quick advice is that in the iQOO 9 SE, I can see this kind of pink color tint issue which is going on pink color when compared with other smartphones. Just that's a small thing which is there, but I'm not using any kind of eye comfort mode, nothing at all. No, I did not use any other options as well. So as you can see, eye protection, everything is turned off. But still, in case if you have the doubt, now let me open the Battlegrounds mobile game between all of these smartphones exactly. And next thing is about the brightness. I did try to select exactly kind of close to 70% brightness in all the four devices exactly, as you can see friends. I did open the Battlegrounds mobile game, and let's say I'll try to play only the rectangle map during this process of testing, and let's find out which phone will be draining what kind of battery percentage right now, comparing all the four devices at this moment. And my room temperature is about 33 degrees Celsius is my room temperature, and we'll try to check the temperature again after 1 hour of time, continuously playing all the Battlegrounds mobile game in all the four smartphones. And I'll try to record for every 1 hour, and these are the settings I'm trying to use. Wi-Fi connection check, 60 Hz refresh rate also check, smooth and extreme settings, and 70% brightness I have selected in all the four devices. And right now let's go to the settings option and show you the exact settings. Done. Smooth and extreme settings, and in other phone I'll try to show you exactly. So smooth and extreme settings done, perfect, no other issues in this device. And in the Realme GT2 I'll try to show you the settings which I'm trying to use. As you can see, smooth and extreme settings, this also done. I will try to observe friends exactly what's happening in the Realme GT Neo 2 as well. I'm not using any monster mode, no GT mode, nothing is used. As you can see, smooth and extreme settings is done. So all the four smartphones are selected with the same exact settings, smooth and extreme settings only, while performing this test. Again, I'll be back after exactly 1 hour of time. Let's see which phone will be draining what kind of battery percentage. There are a couple of things friends you should definitely remember when you're trying to compare this kind of FunTouch UI versus Realme UI. So things which I did like in the Realme UI are especially the real-time FPS meter in the Realme UI, so which is not present in the FunTouch UI at this moment. Unfortunately, that's kind of slightly kind of disadvantage because of the real-time FPS statistics. So where you can clearly see real-time FPS in the Realme UI especially, as you can see friends. So basically in the ColorOS, not in the Realme but in the ColorOS, there's the option. Even in the OnePlus phones also you do get this option. But in the iQOO UI, in this FunTouch UI, in the iQOO phones, so there's another options which are enabled which are called the game frame interpolation. So this will actually boost the FPS from 60 to 90 FPS as well. That option is present right now, but right now I did try to select only 60 Hz, right? That's the reason it's not enabling. But 40 vibrations works fantastic in this device. Like 40 vibrations, you do get really good haptic feedback. So 40 vibrations and game frame interpolation is advantage so far in the iQOO smartphones. Doesn't matter what iQOO phone you select, these are the few advantages which you can actually see. Game frame interpolation will be present in few games, not all the games you can actually play at this moment. So let me know in the comment section below friends, what are your thoughts on this one? So which is your favorite UI? But for me, the most important thing is the real-time FPS meter. That's what I do want as a reviewer, because I just want to see so which phone is capable of playing at what kind of FPS. Is there any drop or not? But right now the time is about kind of close to, I think, 25 minutes of time. At this moment we are trying to play the game continuously between all of these 4 smartphones for 25 minutes of time. So I just want to give quick thoughts. That's the reason. And frame drops, I did not observe much kind of frame drops anyway. So not that good at gaming, friends, especially. So sorry for that, I'm not that great at gaming. So right now I'm trying to run in all the 4 smartphones non-stop. I'll try to keep on running. So if you try to play the game individually in each and every smartphone, the battery backup may be different. Like for example, if you're trying to play continuously only in one phone, that will be different, the battery backup. So I can be back after some time, maybe close to 1 hour of time. Then we can discuss more details. Right now, within this 25 minutes of time, temperature is 39 degrees Celsius, 40 degrees Celsius, and 39.6 degrees Celsius. So all the 4 smartphones are kind of maintaining 39 and 40 degrees Celsius at this moment after 26 minutes of time. So I can be back after close to 1 hour of time. Then we can discuss more details about all the 4 smartphones. Right now, as you can see, friends, we are getting close to exactly 1 hour of time continuously playing the Battlegrounds mobile game between all of these 4 smartphones. And right now it's time to check the temperatures first. And temperature is 40 degrees Celsius and 40 and 40 and 40.6. So all the 4 smartphones are maintaining exactly same level of temperatures. iQOO 7 device and iQOO 9 SE device and Realme GT2 and Realme GT Neo 2 as well. So same temperatures all the 4 smartphones are actually maintaining exactly. So regarding the 40 degrees Celsius after 1 hour of time. And now it's time to check the battery, how much it got dropped. In the iQOO 7 device, it dropped to exactly, let me slightly zoom in, 83%. As you can see, 83% is battery it got dropped right now, as you can see, 83%. So after 1 hour of time, 83, and iQOO 9 SE dropped to 85. So 83 and 85%. And Realme GT2 device dropped to 86%, as you can see, 86%, exactly, 86. And Realme GT Neo 2 is about 85. So iQOO 9 SE and Realme GT Neo 2 both are exactly same, 85 and 85, 86 and 84%, I think 83%. Alright friends, these are the readings for the first 1 hour of time, 83, 85, 86 and 85% regarding the battery rating. So even though these both phones do have the 5000 mAh battery capacity, still they are coming very close to the iQOO phones only. You can see there's not a huge difference in the beginning, but later on the difference will increase. So I'll try to exactly come back again after 2 hours of time. Let's see. And right now I've been using the only Erangel map. I'll try to change to the Sanhok Bootcamp map as well sometimes. In 1 hour I'll try to play this map and 1 hour other map. So in this way we'll be able to understand exactly. Right now I'll try to change to the Bootcamp map. Right now, as you can see, friends, we are kind of close to exactly 2 hours of time continuously playing the gameplay in all the 4 smartphones. And let's check the battery percentage, how much it is. In iQOO 7, the battery percentage decreased to 65% right now. Let me slightly show you. 65% in the iQOO 7 device. Right now, I'm trying to play with the Bootcamp map. In iQOO 9 SE, it's about 69%, 65, 69. 72% in the Realme GT2 device. And GT Neo 2, 71%. So 71, 72, 69 and 65. And let's check the temperatures, what's happening between all of these 4 smartphones. So right now the temperature is 39.2, 39.6, 39.8, 39.8. My room temperature is about 34 degrees Celsius. So all the 4 smartphones are maintaining exactly same level of temperatures. Same level of temperatures, friends. So these are the battery rating is happening right now after 2 hours of time. 63, 65, 69, 72 and 71. You can see the difference. 5000 mAh battery capacity is right now maintaining 70 series regarding the overall battery, 65 and 69. I will be back after 3 hours of time. Right now, as you can see, friends, after getting close to 3 hours of time exactly, let's check the battery percentage, how much it got dropped in all the 4 smartphones. Right now, it dropped to 44% in the iQOO 7 device. So this is iQOO 7 smartphone, 44% exactly. And in iQOO 9 SE, let me show you exactly what's happening in the iQOO 9 SE. It's about 51% in the iQOO 9 SE device, 51%. In the Realme GT2 device, it's about 57%, 57, as you can see, 57. And in the Realme GT Neo 2, 56%. So 56 and 57 very close to each other, nothing much huge difference. And 44 and 51. So these are the readings for the first 3 hours of time. As you can clearly see, friends, 44 percentage and 51 percentage regarding the battery percentage in the iQOO 9 SE, 57 and 56. So 5000 mAh battery mobile phone slightly got advantage, and you can see the 4400 and 4500 what's going on. So I will be back after 4 hours of time. Let's see friends which phone will be doing what kind of percentage. So till now it was kind of okay. So let's see which phone can get up to 5 hours and 6 hours of mark. So what happens is that usually around 20% it drains pretty fast. So that's what it's going to happen in some mobile phones. Again, I'll be back after 4 hours of time. And right now the temperatures in all the phones 40 degrees, 40 degrees, 41 degrees, 40 degrees. So I will be back after some time. Right now, as you can see friends, the time is about close to 4 hours of time as well, and let me show you what is the battery dropped in the iQOO 7 device. It's about 25% in the iQOO 7 smartphone at this moment after 4 hours of time, 25%. And iQOO 9 SE did reach up to 33%. So 33%, 25%, and Realme GT2 device 42% in the Realme GT2, and Realme GT Neo 2 which 40%. Realme GT Neo 2 40% is the phone did reach in this process of demonstration. You can see the temperature readings is about 41 degrees Celsius in the GT Neo 2, and in the GT device it's about 41 degrees Celsius. So both phones are exactly maintaining same level of temperatures. In terms of the iQOO smartphones, 40 degrees, 40 degrees, 40, 40 overall. I will be back after 5 hours of time. Right now, as you can see, these are the readings for the first 4 hours of time: 25%, 33%, 42%, and 40%. iQOO 7 after Android 12 update, this is what the happening with the battery draining in this phone at this moment. Right now, you can see. So I think this phone can come close to 5.5 hours somewhere around that. That's what I'm expecting. Same thing will happen for the iQOO 9 SE as well. But Realme smartphones, they do have a slight advantage because of 5000 mAh battery capacity. That's the main reason. That's it friends, again I'll be back after 5 hours of time. So right now the temperature remains to be exactly 40 degrees toward this time right now. So I'll be back after 5 hours. Right now, as you can see friends, we're kind of close to 5 hours of time as well. In 5 hours of time, let me show you exactly what is the battery percentage. In iQOO 7, it's about 3%, not 7, 3% of the battery in the iQOO 7 device exactly. So 3%, and in the iQOO 9 SE device, let me show you 15% in the iQOO 9 SE device, 15%. In the Realme GT2, which is about 27% in the Realme GT2 device, 27, and 25% in the Realme GT Neo 2 device. So 25, 27, 15 and 3. And overall regarding the temperatures, let's see what's happening. 31.6, the 40.6, 40.6 and 40.6. So all the 4 smartphones are maintaining kind of exactly very close regarding the temperature readings. Nothing much huge difference we have noted. But anyway, iQOO 7 right now the battery is draining slightly kind of faster than other smartphones after the Android 12 update. I think iQOO 7 might be the first phone to get switch off as well, because right now it's only 2% at this moment clearly. So this phone might get switch off first than the other smartphones. That's what we can actually expect. Let me to keep on running in this device, all the smartphones. Yes. So right now I'm trying to keep on running in all the 4 devices as well. Right now, as you can clearly see friends. And I will be back after when the iQOO 7 gets close to completely switch off mode. And right now it's about 2%. Very soon the phone gonna get switch off. And next phone is in the queue, which is a iQOO 9 SE device, which is about 15%. This might take a little bit kind of more time, maybe 20 minutes. I think 20 minutes more, I guess. I will be back after some time. Right now the iQOO 7 phone is at exactly 1% of the battery capacity right now. As you can see, 1%. The phone gonna get switch off very soon at any minute. That's the reason I thought of showing you exactly what's happening between all of these smartphones. Even after 5 hours and 11 minutes, still the phone is continuing in the iQOO 7 device at this moment exactly. Even after 5 hours and 11 minutes as well, still it's showing 1% of the battery. Around 5 hours and 14 minutes of time, the phone could completely switch off in this iQOO 7 device exactly 5 hours and 14 minutes of. So let's see friends, what about the other device exactly. Right now the temperature is about 31.4 degrees Celsius with the final temperatures, and iQOO 9 SE is about 12% right now. So it's gonna get switch off maybe very soon, because last 10% will immediately decrease faster in the iQOO smartphones, especially friends. That's what I did observe, the last 10% overall. So I will be back after some time. Right now, as you can see, friends, after playing for about 5 hours and 47 minutes, kind of close, and battery dropped to 1% in the iQOO 9SE device. Exactly 1% right now, as you can see. So at any minute, the iQOO 9SE can get switch off. And other phones like Realme GT2, right now it's at exactly close to 16%. As you can see, friends, right now 16% is the battery percentage, and the temperature is about 41 degrees Celsius. Right now the temperature is maintaining in the Realme GT2, and Realme GT Neo 2 is about 13% right now the battery. So 16% versus 1% right now, friends. There's a difference of like 15% difference is there between the iQOO 9SE and the Realme GT2 smartphone regarding the battery rating overall. Right now, if you try to compare side by side exactly. So this is what is going on, friends, regarding the battery rating comparison. So let's see how long the iQOO 9SE gonna survive this kind of extreme testing. And regarding the temperatures, 41 degrees Celsius, 40.2 and 40.2 degrees Celsius. Overall wise, regarding the temperatures wise, exactly right now. So finally, friends, the iQOO 9SE did get completely switch off around 5 hours and 50 minutes of time. Not bad regarding the battery draining this time. So 5 hours 14 minutes, 5 hours 50 minutes right now the iQOO 9SE, and rest of the Realme smartphones, I think they can actually go up to a little bit kind of more time, maybe close to I think 6 hours 20 minutes, somewhere around that. That's what I'm expecting regarding the battery draining at this moment exactly. So I'm going to be back, friends, after 6 hours of time. Let's see what will be the overall battery percentage. Right now, as you can see, friends, after getting close to exactly 6 hours and 33 minutes of time, the battery dropped to 1% in the Realme GT Neo 2 device. As you can see clearly, friends, 1% right now exactly in this device. So 6 hours and 33 minutes. So always it used to be 6 hours and 20 minutes, somewhere around that, 6 hours 25 minutes it used to be in the Realme GT Neo 2 device. And right now Realme GT2 is at exactly 4% of the battery capacity. Not bad, 4%. So definitely, friends, having the 5000 mAh of battery capacity is slightly kind of advantage between these phones comparing with the iQOO smartphone. Right now, as you can see, friends, after 6 hours and 34 minutes of time, we got the notification in the Realme GT2 also regarding the battery down to 2%, but still the Realme GT Neo 2 is still going on with the 1% itself right now. As you can see, still it's continuing with the 1% also in the Realme GT Neo 2 device. I will be back after some time. Right now, as you can see, friends, around 6 hours and 35 minutes of time, the Realme GT Neo 2 completely got switched off, 35 minutes. That's a pretty good time for this device, I would definitely say that. And one more thing you should definitely understand. In this test, I'm trying to run continuously, okay? So if you're trying to use one device and play continuously, the battery life will be very much different than doing this kind of testing. But this test will give you the clear idea and clear picture what's happening with overall battery draining test. So always minus whatever the time I'm getting, minus 30 minutes or maybe 1 hour of time, because I cannot play in all the 4 smartphones at the same time, right? It's not possible. That's the reason I'm trying to keep running exactly in all the 4 devices non-stop. So if you're trying to use only one phone and playing continuously in one device, definitely the battery life, what I'm getting and what you're getting will be different. Try to understand that. And it also depends upon if you're trying to use a Wi-Fi connection or 4G connection as well, and what settings, smooth and extreme or HDR and extreme, everything matters. So my room temperature is always 34 degrees Celsius. It's always 34. Again, I'll be back exactly when the phone gets completely close to switch off. Right now it's kind of close to 2% right now. Again, I'll be back after some time. Fine, friends, around 6 hours and 42 minutes, somewhere around that kind of time, the phone completely got switched off in the Realme GT2 device as well. So overall, friends, 6 hours 43 minutes is the time for the 5000 mAh of battery capacity, and this is over the highest battery capacity which I got right now. But definitely this is a brand new mobile phone. That's something you should definitely understand. Still did not receive any updates at all. So maybe with the future updates, the battery backup may decrease. So if you're watching this video after 5 months of uploading this video, or maybe after 2 months, the battery life may be completely different, because with the software updates, all this gonna impact a lot with the software updates. Finally, friends, these are the complete results of the battery test results of all the 4 smartphones. So you can clearly see, so iQOO 7 5 hours, which has got the lowest value at this moment. The main reason is because of the Android 12 update the phone did receive. After Android 12 update is what happened with the battery life in this device. Unfortunately, that's something to be noted. So that's the main reason why we are getting only 5 hours of battery draining happening in this device. And next is a 5 hours 50 minutes Icon NSC, which is also really fantastic device. I would definitely say that for 4500 mAh of battery capacity, this is very good battery backup, because overall normally as the average 4500 mAh of battery capacity will get similar kind of time on an average. Exactly, yes, that's what did happen in the Icon NSC device. There's nothing wrong with the device, but overall this is what the battery backup is. But if you try to move to the 5000 mAh of series with these two Realme smartphones which we do have right now, the things will be really interesting, because every time I try to do the battery draining test in the Realme GT Neo 2, I used to get always more than 6 hours of time, always. That's because of the 5000 mAh of battery capacity in this device. Same thing for the Realme GT 2 also, more than 6 hours we got the battery backup. So finally, in terms of the battery backup, if you try to compare these both phones, you're gonna get extra 45 minutes to 1 hour of gameplay, maybe 30 minutes to 1 hour of extra gameplay you can get in this Realme GT 2 device when compared with the Icon and SC device. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Until then, signing off and bye. And make sure to hit that like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what your experience about this kind of test. Very soon I'll definitely include the Realme GT Neo 3 as well as soon as possible. That device, I'm waiting for the phone to receive. Once I get the phone, I'll definitely upload the video as soon as possible. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. I'll stay tuned for more updates and bye.